Boom, boom, boom. The one question I have for you that everyone always wants to know is, okay, shukriya, my friend.
Okay,
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Woo! What up, everybody? I hope you're feeling good, feeling great. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling elated. I'm feeling enthused. I'm also feeling like there's a war being waged in my stomach right now, but we'll get to that later. All good, Acha? Acha, shukriya, my friend. Shout out. Aapka naam kya hai?
Ishtiyaq naam hai.
Ishtiyaq naam. Great name, my friend. Nice to meet you. Aap kaise hai?
Shukr, alhamdulillah.
Shukriya. Allah Hafiz, my brother. Allah Hafiz. I'm feeling, yeah, there's definitely something wrong in my stomach. This is day 7 of something going wrong. But today is my 92nd, assalamu alaikum, my 92nd day in Pakistan. Can you believe it? 92 days here. The amount of memories, the amount of fun, the amount of excitement, the amount of amazing people I met, 92 days. It's gonna take me 92 years just to process everything that's happened here. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
I'm very well.
I am from Miawali district.
I'm sorry?
What is your name?
My name? Mera naam Brent.
My name is Arif Abbas.
Arif Abbas.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Arif Abbas. Aap kaise hai?
My Chigu. What's your name?
Mera naam Brent Timm.
Brent Timm from
United States. America.
So you want to drink a tea with us?
Sorry, say what?
If you want to drink a tea with us?
Oh, shukriya. I appreciate that. I have to go see a friend right now.
Oh.
Yes, but thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Whew. Hopping out the cab and we're already making new friends. It just doesn't get any better than this, y'all. Anyways, 92 days in Pakistan, but today's the biggest day yet. Today's the most exciting day yet. I'm about to meet with a superstar, with a celebrity, with an icon, with a world-class athlete. I've never in my life met anyone on this level. You ready for it? Today we are meeting with Pakistani cricket legend Shahid Khan Afridi. Shahid Khan Afridi. I practice all morning to say that name. I hope I'm getting it right. Long story short, well, we're in Islamabad. A friend reached out to me and said, you have an opportunity tomorrow to meet this Pakistani cricket legend. And I'm like, tell me what I gotta do, tell me where I gotta be, and I will be there. So because, you know, Shahid is like a major celebrity, he travels with the security force and he moves in silence and he moves in secrecy. So I don't know when or where I'm going to meet him. I'm waiting for the phone call to come at any minute now. But we're gonna go grab some lunch to chow down on here and get a little food in our stomach, because I might faint being in the presence of such star power. I gotta get some calories in my stomach. And because I've been sick for the past 7 days, the body is not holding in a lot of nutrients. So I'm gonna take you to my favorite cafe up here, where I come virtually every day to work and eat some really tasty baked items. Woo! So here we are, Loafology, my absolute favorite, my new favorite cafe. Every couple weeks I find a new favorite cafe.
Well done.
Assalamu alaikum. Well done, shukriya.
Well done.
Assalamu alaikum.
Well done.
Aapka naam kya hai?
मेरा नाम Abdullah.
Mera naam Abdullah. Nice to meet you, my friend. Aap kaise hai? What do you like the food here?
Loafology.
Is it good food? Acha? Mazadar food. Okay.
Your country?
My country? The United States of America.
Oh.
Yeah, oh, he wants to shake my hand to that one. Yeah.
Oh,
But I love America, but Pakistan, Zindabad. Zindabad. Shukriya, my friend. Thank you, brother. Oh, wow. Shukriya. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? This guy's my #1 waiter, #1 server every day, man.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, brother?
Fine, sir. How about you? Are you good?
Life's good. Life's great, man. All right, and it's lunchtime. Again, not the most exciting lunch, but I can promise you it's delicious. I've had this like 5 times since I've been coming to Loafology. And again, we just need stuff that's gonna go easy on the stomach. I'm not even gonna waste your time with a food review. Okay, the Eagle has landed. I'm about to get picked up in 5 minutes, and then we're driving to a place called Goldberg to go meet him. But we've got some very nice new friends here.
Hi.
Tell everybody your names.
My name is Ayman Khalid.
Beautiful name.
This is Mahrukh.
Oh, I love your name too. And this is like a hotel that's attached to
Yes.
Loafology. What hotel is it?
It is the 108 hotel.
108. Okay. And there's a match going on right now.
Yes.
It's the World Cup match, right?
Yes, it's the World Cup match.
Who are they playing?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Pakistan.
I thought Pakistan was eliminated. They're still in it?
Listen.
They're still in it. Okay. Guess who I'm going to meet right now?
Ew.
It's a cricket player.
Imran?
No, that'd be cool too.
Yeah.
Shahid Afridi.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he's popular, right? Everyone loves
very
him.
popular.
Okay. Well, shukriya. It was so nice meeting you. Bye 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 bye. Okay. It's time to go. It's time to go. Actually, it's time to go to the bathroom before I go. Assalamu alaikum. Should I sit in the front? I'll sit in the back. Sorry. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Oh, so good to see you. Tell everybody your name.
Conan.
Oh, great to see you again. And you're with a company, right? What company?
Yeah, AAA Associates.
AAA Associates, and they're like a real estate company, right?
that's
Okay. And who are we going to meet right now?
Shahid Khan Afridi.
Ah! I think he's very, very close. They've told me his name is Boom Boom Afridi. They also told me they call him Lala. Oh, so excited. Maybe you're wondering again how this opportunity came to be. Well, this guy, this owner, this chairman of this mega real estate company reached out to me and he said, I love your videos, man. I'd love to invite you to my office. And I was like, absolutely, man. And so here we go. I don't know who's in the. No, okay. I'm being told not to film again. I think this guy's like got crazy like high security detail. They're driving around in a Ford Shelby pickup truck. I had not seen one of those here in Pakistan yet. And we're in Gulberg. This is my first time here. Islamabad and Pindi, like I really can't believe like how big they are. Like once I think I've seen everything. No, just truly just the start. Like insane. This is an area that's like under development, as most of these places in Islamabad and Pindi are. Cool buildings though. They're building some sort of like massive complex over there. Assalamu alaikum. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, we found ourselves at some just like incredible mansion here. Like look at this place. There's some like big business deals going down here. I'm not sure exactly what the nature of the conversation is. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I mean, look at this place. This is straight out of like, this is some Vice City Scarface levels of a house. Y'all like, what? Where are we? Mega millions here, y'all. I am geeking out. And there's the man, the myth, the legend himself. I'm standing a little far back because I think it's a private conversation or something. Minnesota.
Okay, which state is this?
Minneapolis. So right under Canada, a very cold state.
Oh, okay, nice. So is it your first time in Pakistan?
The first time, but this is day 93 I've been here. I've loved it so much I keep extending my visa.
good enough is easy grade bhai. आपने बनाना कुछ? Do you want to make something?
Yeah.
Fawad? Fawad? Shahid bhai? He will make जो इसका candidate बनता है ना.
Boom. The one question I have for you that everyone always wants to know is what is your favorite Pakistani food, man?
I love food. And especially the barbecue.
The vatika, yeah, the barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
Chicken or mutton? Which one's better?
Mutton, I go with mutton.
Mutton. Same
Thanks,
for me,
man.
brother. Shukriya, brother. Thank you, man. And there we go. Truly a touch with greatness. Had to ask him my favorite question to ask everybody in Pakistan. they made a joke after we finished that he was going to charge me for something like that. So absolutely hilarious. Yo, major shout out to everyone here at AAA who set this up. Like truly mind blowing. Like I can feel like the star power out here. Like absolutely insane. Thanks so much for facilitating this.
How's it going?
It's amazing. Yeah. What can I say? I'm starstruck, kind of, right? Yeah. That was cool. That was really cool.
He is actually a legend here.
Yeah. No. I've heard his name because I studied up on cricket before I came here.
In
Lala.
Pakistan, yeah.
That's what I called him. Is that cool to call him that? Yeah. I
Yeah.
said, hey, Lala. They also call him like Boom Boom Afridi?
Yeah,
Okay.
Boom Boom Afridi.
I didn't want to offend or anything, so. Oh, wow. What whose house is this? This is like
It's a
a.
farmhouse of that guy. Huh.
Ah. Why do they call it a farmhouse? There's no like animals?
No, it is a farmhouse.
It is a farmhouse, okay. In the United States, when I hear farmhouse, I think like cows and like
Oh, that's
horses.
like countryside.
Yeah.
But it's not countryside. It's in the center of the like city.
So all these people have been inviting me to their farmhouse, and this is actually where they wanted to invite me. Okay. All right, y'all. Sorry for the abrupt ending to that video. Literally moments after we started filming, we found out Imran Khan, the former prime minister of Pakistan, was the victim of an assassination attempt. He was shot. This was a couple hours ago now. I guess he's okay. He was like shot in the foot or the leg or something. Just absolutely mad. So once that news came down, like everyone just like bolted because the roads were shut down. People were going to be out in the streets protesting and stuff. So it was just crazy. So as always, sending love to the people of Pakistan. Always just hurts to see violence in any capacity. But what a day! What a day! Major shout out to Lala for letting me meet him, and major shout out to the chairman at AAA for organizing this whole thing. It's crazy how many like incredible people I've met here and people that have opened the door to opportunities I never would have thought possible in my life. So beyond humbled, beyond thankful for all of that, and also just really sad. You know, it was a day of so many highs. And then for just this news to come out, you know, who knows what's going to happen in the coming days here. A lot of followers have messaged me from Pakistan. They said, Brent, you need to leave now. You need to get out of the country. I'm not going to do that. I'm not leaving. I got too many other places to go. Inshallah, there won't be any crazy instability here, but who knows? But I do think this might be the last vlog I'll do from Islamabad. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll sneak one more in here before we go to Faisalabad, Multan, and Karachi. At least that's the plan. The plan always keeps changing. My name's Brent Timm from Islamabad. I'm saying ciao for now, but more importantly, I'm just sending love and hoping for better days here in Pakistan for everybody. Love you all.